Here is the full-length spoken voiceover script reviewing the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED. You're rushing out the door, grabbing your phone for a quick glance at the sports highlights before heading to work. But as you're scrolling through that tiny screen, everything looks fuzzy and hard to make out. Fast-moving players, blurry faces. It's like trying to read a newspaper from across the room. You know what would fix that? The Samsung 65-inch Class OLED. This TV is more than just a pretty face. Its most advanced 4K AI processor, powered by 128 neural networks, delivers an exceptional 4K experience for streaming, gaming, live sports, and more. Say goodbye to the fuzzy blur of old. This baby upscales everything you watch to 4K in seconds, ensuring incredibly sharp and smooth picture quality. But that's just the beginning. The Samsung 65-inch Class OLED also transforms your favorite content into HDR-like quality, with brighter highlights, more vibrant colors, and clearer details for dazzling visuals. And when it comes to gaming, this TV brings smooth motion to sports and tear-free gaming at up to 4K 144Hz. You might be thinking, how does that feel? The answer is like being right in the middle of the action. Imagine watching a live game with friends, feeling every tackle, every goal, every thrill of victory, all crystal clear on your massive 65-inch screen. That's what this TV delivers. But it's not just about the visuals. It's also about the details that make a difference in real life. The powerful brightness and deeper contrast in every pixel mean you'll notice even the smallest details in each scene, like the texture of a character's skin or the movement of their eyes. And when it comes to accessibility, the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED is designed for everyone, with features like Auto Low Latency Mode, which reduces input lag and minimizes motion blur. The Samsung 65-inch Class OLED also keeps your eye on the ball, smoothing the motion of fast-moving balls and text, reducing blur and flickering. It's like having a personal cinematographer in your living room, ensuring every moment is captured with precision and clarity. But don't just take our word for it. Once people try this TV, they stop reaching for their old one. That's how good it is. And when you experience the difference for yourself, you'll wonder how you ever settled for anything less. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Samsung 65-inch Class OLED and discover a world of crystal-clear visuals, stunning colors, and unparalleled performance. Trust us, your daily commute, your favorite shows, or your next gaming session will never be the same again.